Hey beautiful people, we're going to get right into sectioning my hair. And I'm going to be using curl formers. They're pretty expensive. All of the pricing and everything I'm going to put on the screen for you. There's two colors, pink and orange. And it also comes with a clip. We're going to put the clip together and put it together until we hear a snap. Once that is done, we're going to use the actual curl former and section off that part of hair depending on your density, and you're going to detangle that section and add leave-in. I'm also going to use the Main Choice Pink Lemonade Mousse and the curl former. To set the curl former, you're going to put the curl former on the rod, starting by putting it on by the hook. Push it on, twist the root of your hair and hook the hook onto your hair. It's kind of difficult, but you're gonna get it in a routine as soon as you begin. You push up the curl former by pressing that rod onto your head so that it doesn't slip away, and push and pull the rod through. And it's just as easy as that. Similar to like a crochet style, but not exactly. So what I'm going to show you here is a quick review of what I did, and I'm going to show you a few more times throughout the video. After detangling and adding leave-in conditioner as well as your mousse, you're going to twist at the roots, and it's easier to prepare your curl formers because they give you two rods. You prepare the curl formers by putting the former on the rod before doing your hair, and you hook it on and you slide it through. But here's where I made a mistake. I didn't ensure that the hair was fully hooked into the rod. If you don't do that, then it's going to snag your hair, and you have to be very careful as well while doing this. Hook it on properly, ensuring that all in that section is in the hook or rod, and then slide it up, pull it through, and pretty much that's it. You can also go back in and curl the former if it doesn't curl back immediately. You shouldn't have no major issues. It's kind of easy once you get into the routine of it. What I realized while doing this is that I needed more than 40 rods. The back came out perfectly, but the top of my hair could have been better because I had to begin sectioning the top much bigger because I was running out of rods. It came with 40 total rods in the package. However, my hair is becoming really dense, and because of the texture, it kind of makes sense to do your parts much smaller. In this section, you're going to see that I'm going to twist at the root, hook the curl former on. I'm going to pull my hair up from my face, and this part here is going to help you, and push it up. The closer you keep the rod to your scalp, the tighter the curl former would be. You want to ensure too that the root is pretty tight so that it doesn't give you much shrinkage, and that your rod is pretty, or your curl is pretty tight at the root. I think that's pretty much all the information that I can give, or I could give in detail, and you just continue to repeat those steps. The best trick that I did though, I started holding my hair up with one hand while the hook is in the other hand, and that kind of helped me to get that tight rod, that tight curl at the root.
I know you'd rather be laying up with a big booty, body hella positive cause she got a big booty. I know I'd rather be paid up. You know I'm sensitive about having no booty, having nobody, only you, buddy. Can you hold me when nobody's around us?
Okay, last one. Oh my god, this is the most tiring thing ever. So yeah, pretty much that last former, and I am going to dance a little bit. New freezer, a. I'm going to sit under my sofa dryer for about 30 minutes, and I just left the formers in for about a few hours after that until I was ready to get dressed and go out. And pretty much that is it. I'm going to now show you how I took down my formers. So after I got glammed, I'm pretty much ready to take them down. So I squeezed at the root of the former and I pulled down, and that was it. Same thing for all, and it gives you a really bouncy curl. I would really love to see this on permed hair or some hair that with a looser texture. I know these curls would be popping. Oh my gosh, it's very easy, especially the takedown is super easy. And it's easy to store away too. As you can see, you can just drop the formers in the bag and good to go. Add your oil to your roots and to your hand and fingertips to separate, and start separating and twirl once that part is separated. Just like that. Continue doing that, and that should be fairly easy for you. And for fine hair girls like myself, you're gonna have to pick enough, and this was pretty much my mistake, I see. Yeah, so I ended up pretty much with a curly fro, and that's how I came up with the title of the video. So you're gonna pick with your pick and fluff it out as much as possible, and don't pick it out too far out. You just want to pick it to shape it how you'd like, and that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below and show your girls some love. Bye guys. Yeah, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell a story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes.